Table 1 was something like this, and table 2 was something different. Second page. Yes, we have started with the header and we have left it here, right? Okay, come to this file. Table2.html file, you can open. Table2.html file, you can open. If this file is not there, please create a file, table2.html. I will share you this code in your chat. Okay, so table 2 code I share in the chat. Please follow that code. You can create a new file, table2.html, write in that. Code is here already. You can just copy and place in your HTML file. And from there, you can continue together. Border, you have given 1, right? Give 100 and then check. Border 1 is there, keep 100 and see how it is happening. One put into 100, see what is happening. Anything look like 3D? 3D table? Same table look like a 3D table. Okay, background will get changed. Suppose I will run this file. So it will show me like this. If I put here border as 100, then what will happen? Border 100 will remain same or it will do something else. Border 100 will become something else. Like border will get applied surrounding top, left, right, bottom, all the side border will get applied. Okay, but inside the table you will have only 1 pixel border. You can see here inside the table we have only 1 pixel, and outside of the table you can see there is a huge pixel, right? So this is through HTML. Using CSS it will look different. That is our further upcoming time will guide us. Go ahead. So don't give 100, let it be 1 only. 1 is sufficient. We are happy with 1 as of now. Next we can see later, if required we can give more. Okay, now write the next TR. 1 TR, hope you are ready with that. I am proceeding with the next TR. This file is available with how many people? Yes, no, should come in chat once. Will be helpful to track you. The table 2, if you have, you can reply yes. If you not have, you can reply no. Okay, so 4 5 people says something. Yes, yes, yes. Cool. Okay. Mm-hmm. Sahana. Okay. One person. Okay. Seema, some name is there, right? You can create a file no quickly. Are you following the system? Name for Seema. Are you using the laptop? Then please write this quickly. I have shared the code also in your chat. Okay, cool then. Right. Let's first follow the second TD. In the second TR, we are going to follow the only TD. You can see in the first TR, we have written, in the first TR, we have written only heading. In the first TR, we have written only heading, only heading. So now next, we are not going to write the TH, we are going to follow only only TD. Okay. So user ID 01. Next full name. You can write some your friend name, Alex. Next TD, mobile number. Next TD, next TD, that is called is 30 years. Next TD, city called Bangalore. Next TD, education, MCA. So in this one user details will get filled. In that one user details will get filled. One user details will get filled. You can run the page and check also how that look. After filling one user details, how that look, you can refresh the page and check once. It look like this. The normal table what we see in day-to-day life. Write the next TR and follow the TD. Give 0 to next TD. Ramesh. Next TD. All plus 91 2 something. Next TD. 40 years. Next TD. Delhi, and one more TD for education as a BCA. You can add one or two more user. 2 user we have added. Hoping you will add one more user. Your table will look little better. Okay, so hope you added one more user. Let me help you out. Let's add one more TR. TD 03. TD something Ganesh. The number 333333. Next TD is EDS. Next TD TD. He belong to next TD is a graduate. Please check now. Table will look something better. So total 3 user we added. So this table we are going to leave here. This become a small example on based on how to display lot of records. If you have more than one data, then how to display all together. So in that case, table concept will come. In that case, table concept will come. In that case, table concept will come. Okay, go ahead, create next file. Table 3. Now table 3, everyone must create this file. In case in the previous file, you made some mistake, leave that. Table 3 should be suitable for you. start from HTML and follow the body tag. Next, follow the table tag. Right inside a align property. Align as a center and cell padding. Definitely 10, 12 follow. Border also you write as of now because we are going to implement something. Border will help us. Then keep width also 70% of your screen. %70 of your screen. Hmm, 70% sign. Follow the caption tag. Right inside again, it's one. Keep there. Call a span. Example. You can write in beginning table call span example. Table call span example. Table call span example. Now come down. So caption you have open close. H1 open close. Caption is end. Below. We will write it TR and this TR will have TH. And suppose you have a list of customer. You have a list of customers with the different data. Like example, full name of the customer. Next, age of the customer. Next, city of customer. Next, mobile number of customer. Next, services for customer. Which service is looking for? Which service is looking for? Okay. So what you can do is save the file and run once. Table 3. What is the look of table 3? Oh, so many crowd here. Okay, come down after this. Now write the first customer with all the details. First customer with all the details. TD, Murli Prasad. His age is 45 years. His city name is Mumbai. His mobile number is what services he is looking for? AC repair. Looking for AC repair. Hope you wrote it. Please check now. Murli Prasad from Mumbai. AC repair. Something. Write the next year. Next year you have a TD. Maruti Prasad. He is of 35 years old. He is located in Chennai. And his contact number is 888 and he is looking to new HP laptop. Okay, ready? So you can check now. You will see two customer details will come. Two customer details will come. Now question is going to come. Suppose the Maruti Prasad, the last customer, he has not mentioned what service he is looking for. Like suppose we have written call new HP laptop, is looking for new HP laptop, but unfortunately assume his data is not there. Then how the table will display? What will be the structure of the table? Right? That is going to come from this one. Call span. Suppose HP laptop is not exist. Now you run the page, your table will look incomplete table. Check now, table is looking incomplete table. Something is missing in the last. One TD it will show missing in the last. See, one TD is missing in the last. We want, suppose service is not exist. So instead of displaying as a empty column, we will ask the mobile number to take the place of service also. We will ask the mobile number to take the place of service also. So how to do that? Suppose for first user, repair is there, sorry, AC repair is there, so total 5 column is needed. For last user, he has not mentioned the service, what service is the. In that case, we will ask the mobile number. In mobile number, we can write here, call a span equal to 2. Call span equal to 2. So your mobile number will take the place of 2 columns. Mobile number will take the place of 2 columns. Mobile number will occupy the mobile number place also, and the same will occupy the service space also. So that will be called as a call span. Please check and then see your browser have something like this. 2 columns got combined together. That is using call span. Confirm even. Border spelling. Border spelling. Border spelling will be wrong. You can't find the lining in between. Check same problem. Now lining is coming. Please check once. The mobile number should cover the place of service also. So this is called call span. One column is taking the place of double column. Using which property? Call span property. Now how many column we want to combine? That we need to add there. Suppose if you want to combine 4 column, you have to write call span as a 4. If you want to combine 5 column, you have to write call span as a 5. Okay. Go next. Let's go ahead for the third customer. Third customer, TR, I should give some space also. Next TR will be, next TR will be, let's follow the TD. Write name call something. Madhu Bandhu. Write the next TD. She is of 35 years. Next, he is from Delhi. Next, he has the mobile number. And he has the service details also. Okay, he has the service details also. Check now. So for this user, all the details are exist. So for third user, all the details we have is like this. Now fourth user is in such a way, he has not mentioned the mobile number. The fourth user, third user has everything. Second user was missed out with the service. Now fourth user we have, he has missed out his phone number. Then if the phone number is missed out, you cannot combine the space of phone number and job. You have to combine the space of the phone number with the city. Okay, city will take the place of mobile number. TR number 4. TR number 4. Inside the TR number 4, TD, name is Rajesh, age is of 25 years, from Bangalore, next. Next, what he has missed out? He has not given the mobile number, but he has given the service. Okay. Bike repair. Okay. Ready. Now what is missing? Missing is mobile number. If you run the page, you will find like one column is incomplete. Bike repair gone to the mobile number. Correct. In fact, bike repair is the service part. Mobile number is missing. So we will ask the city column to just get extended a little and take the place of next column also. So in the city column, you will add here call span equal to 2 and check once. The city is taking the place of mobile also or not. taking city should take the place of mobile also. Yes. Now the space got combined. Space got combined. Go ahead next. Hope you are clear or confused. The next user, the user number fifth we have, he has not given the age and city. He has given mobile number, service and his name. He has not given three details. Anyone missing anything or you are confused? How is it? Or okay? Are we on track? Okay, moving on. Write the user number 5. The user number 5 have only name, call Mahesh. He has not mentioned the age. Directly he has given the mobile number. TD. And then what service he is looking, he has mentioned that. Looking for job. If you run and see the code, you will find check now. See, first 3 is coming, last 2 is gone. So how many are missing? 2 are missing. What are those? Age and city. So before city, age is coming. Number 1, city is missing. If age is there, then age can take it, but age is also missing. So who will capture both? Name will capture both. Inside the name, because look at here, in the previous you have mobile was missing. So for the city you given correspond to. Now what is missing? City is missing. City is missing and age is missing. If age is will be there, then we can ask the age to take the place. But both are missing. So who will take? Name will take. So we will write for the name call span equal to how many?
3.
3. 1 is the current one and 2 are missing. So 2 plus 1 is a 3. Save the file and let us check again. So hope it should merge now. Merging. The name is taking the place of name, age, and city. Remaining all are coming. So we'll come to know, okay, mobile number is there, service is there, but these two are missing. In fact, we can leave empty also. See, it is not necessary we have to give only. We can leave empty also. But if you leave empty, you will not understand the meaning of call span. Okay, so come next. Add one more user with all the details. Write a TR with the TD. Mahendra. Next, he is of 80 years old. Next, he is from Kolkata. Then his mobile number is something. Then he is looking for not career advice, 80 years. What career is it? He's looking for something. Health advice. Okay, save it now. Hope everything is perfect and page is loading properly. So last user have all the details. So in this what we did? Call span. Call span used to combine the space of two or more columns. Call span used to combine the space of two or more columns. Call span used to combine the space of two or more columns. Combine the space of two or more columns. Now we are going to leave this file and we are going to create the another file. Create next file table4.html. Table4.html. We will understand the row span, how to combine a row span. And if you have copy paste skill, please copy till first row. This much you can paste. Hope till here you copied till first year. Correct. So you can select like this and copy. So copied that, pasted in the next file, table 4.html, close the table till here, close body also, close HTML also. Right called table 4.html. Right, come down below, can change the heading, table row span example. Now how you have combined the space of two columns? Similar way you are going to combine the space of two rows. They will combine the space of two rows. Some user will enter the mobile number, some enter will not user, some user, 2-3 user will have similar service. One user is from 3 user from same city, one user, 2 user have the same age. So those case, like suppose if there is a 2 user, okay, if there is a 2 user, what will happen? 2 user with the same age, then we have to use some other technique. Okay, let's come inside. Right. So hope till here you have made. Then follow the TR, open and close. And keep one user, one customer with all the details. TD, full name, Alex, and age is of 30 years. And city belong to Delhi. And mobile number is something. Okay, and he looking for a service called home shifting. Home shifting. Okay. So first user, you have all the details. Check now, you got one user with all the details. See, it's like this. Second user will come and third user will come. So the city of second user and city of third user will be same. There we will use the row span property. Okay, let's keep the second user TD Ramesh and his age you keep something 35 years and his city you keep something belong to Pune. After that, his contact number something and he is looking for something else. He is looking for something. Suppose looking for job. Okay. Looking for job. Now the city of second user and city of third user will be same. So how to manage that? Let's look at here first. You can see data is coming here well. Now write a table, another TR, one more TR where you don't have to write the city again, or maybe you write it, we'll delete it later. TD, he is Ganesh, and he is some different age, 50 years, and he also from Pune only, and he has something, and he is looking for some other thing. Resume writing, resume building. Okay, resume building. Hope ready. Next, after that, check your page. Pune is coming 2 times and that is continuous. The second user also from Pune, third user also from Pune. Both are coming just in the sequence only, one after other. Both are coming the sequence, just one after other. You can see here. Both are from Pune only. Now two users have the similar record. Then table says if two users have similar record and both are coming just one after other, then why to display 2 times? Display the Pune 1 time so that it will reflect to the Ramesh also and it should reflect to the Ganesh also. So in that case, you have to use the concept of row span. You have to use the concept of row span. Okay. That concept of row span is here. It says like, okay, the first Pune. See, the second Pune cannot take the place of first Pune. The first Pune can take the place of second Pune. Like in the call span also you saw, the first column was taking the place of second column, not the second was taking the place of first column. So for the Ramesh who is belong to Pune, for his TD you have to write row span equal to 2. Row span equal to 2. Okay. After that, if you run the page like this, one Pune will go out of the table. Look at here. One Pune already you asked here to take the place of second Pune also. If first Pune will take the place of second Pune, then there is no need of the second Pune. If you will keep the Pune, then your table structure will be wrong. You can see here, it went outside. Column count does not match. So we have to delete the second Pune. Instead of deleting, you comment it just like this. Comment this way. So you will find the column will get commented and it will not be reacting anything with the browser. Save now and confirm once. Your page look like this. Both the Pune is only one, but reflecting for how many users? 2 users. It is
Sir,
here.
please scroll the page up.
Up or down?
Up, sir.
Now first complete the downside, then I'll
Yeah,
go.
I have completed. Okay, sir.
People are writing still. Okay, so hope you have written and your page something like this. Both the Pune got combined together. Now next user number 4 we have, he is also looking for the same service. Which one? Resume building. So for the user number 4 will not write the last TD. We will ask the current resume building to take the place of second row also. In entire HTML, the table row span and call span is a logical, remaining all are static. Okay, here only you need to apply little brain, else remaining. One more place you have to apply the brain in frame set. Remaining no other places, all are static. If you remember, then remember for always. I'll share this code. Hold on, I'll share this file. But file how will download? Let me give you the code from beginning. Anyone? Are you writing or how is it? Code I will share you in 2 pieces. The first part of code will come and I'll share you the second part of the code also. So please take the both the section, merge one after other. Page will look proper. Code came in chat. Let us add the last user who have who is also looking for the same service. So write one more TR, and then TD, something, Mohit, next TD, age of 30 years. And he is from some different city, Kolkata or Bhopal. Okay, his number is different. Okay, his number is different. Then he also looking for resume building. So what do you think? Shall we write the resume building 2 times? Or we should keep one place and display to both the user? Ready? Save now. Check once how that look. Resume building, how many times? 2 times. Now to the last user, second last user. Resume building is here also, resume building is here also. So the first resume building write as a row span equal to 2. And the second resume building you should comment it. Comment it. Save now. Check once. Resume building is 1 times and it is representing for how many users? 2 users. So that is going to remove the duplicate data. You don't have to keep the same data 2 times. You will keep one place and it will display for 2 users. Now look at here. It's like this. Add one more user where he is also looking for the resume building only. If you add one more user, he is also looking for resume building. What we have to do? Row span will be how many? Row span will be 3. Why? Because one more user is going to come. Let's add that. TD Abhi, next TD 32 years. He is from Okay, he is from Bangalore and his number is something else and he is looking for resume builder. Correct? You should comment to that. Written? How many rows one we are written? Rows 1, 3, and then this column, the last column must get commented. This one should get commented. Correct? Then you will see this look like this. This is called row span, and this is called column span. Okay. So just wait for 1 minute. Okay, so after that, So first few classes will not give you a lot of things. You may feel overload, plus you may get confused also. So again, we will sit tomorrow. Today, I think all are in the WhatsApp, right? Okay, so in WhatsApp, I have 6-7 names. Not 6-7 names, 8 names are there. Yesterday video, today video, evening time you will get it. I will upload and I'll send you the link. Okay, and then I will send you some photos also, basic photo, like how we have created this one. This one as a row span and call span. Similar way, just 2-3 photo only I'll send you based on table row span and call span. Okay, just you try it. Okay, you can try it. So once we start writing the code, then only benefit will happen. So based on call span and row span, 3 photo I'll send you. Just to try that photo. Okay, border you can apply, BG color you can write, and then we'll see. Okay, tomorrow, not tomorrow, we'll take your email ID also. Email ID, I think already there in the YouTube channel. The video I'm uploading is a public as of now. I'll make it as a, we'll make it a private and we'll share you tomorrow onwards. So I will upload today and I'll give you directly.